Hi, I'm Courtney Roulston and I'm going to share with you now a quick and tasty broccolini recipe. Today I'm simply going to grill it and serve it with a spicy Tonnato sauce or a tuna sauce. Broccolini has to be one of my favourite vegetables. It's quick cooking and it's really versatile to use in things like soups, pastas, stir fry or salads. An added bonus to getting into Coles and picking up some broccolini this month is from the 5th of April till the 2nd of May, 40 cents from every family pack of Australian broccolini sold at Coles will be donated to the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. The foundation does fantastic work with our Aussie school kids, teaching them hands-on positive food habits from a young age. So it's a win-win. Grab some broccolini and you'll be supporting a fantastic cause. To kick off the recipe, I'm going to leave the broccolini whole. I'm going to pop my pan onto heat. Now just pop the broccolini straight into the pan. Drizzle it with some extra virgin olive oil and season with a pinch of sea salt. And I'm just going to grill the broccolini, giving it a toss every couple of minutes for around 6 to 8 minutes or until it's nice and tender. A quick tip to help your broccolini cook even faster is to add a dash of water just before it's finished cooking. That little bit of water just helps the broccolini stems steam through and they go really nice and tender. So that's cooked. I'm going to pop that straight onto a serving plate. Now we can make the Tonnato sauce. So Tonnato sauce is a traditional Italian sauce. So to start the recipe, in a jar here, or you could do this in a blender, I've got a 90 gram can of really good quality tuna in olive oil, and I've left the olive oil in there. I like my Tonnato spicy, but if you don't, you can leave the chilli out. I've got some green chilli rings, pop them in. I'm going to add in a hard-boiled egg into the jar. Got a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice, popping in an anchovy fillet, a few grinds of black pepper, a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm using Kewpie mayonnaise. And I'm also popping in some dill, about a tablespoon of dill. Top that up with about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to help it blend. Grab a stick blender, and I'm just going to blitz this until it's really creamy and quite smooth. Something I nearly forgot is our capers. These are really nice and briny, and I've got a good kind of teaspoon of capers to go in and just blitz them in. Okay, that is our Tonnato sauce done. All you need to do now is to grab our grilled broccolini, and I'm simply going to spoon over our spicy Tonnato sauce. To finish off this, I've got some toasted pine nuts. Just scatter them over. I've also got some toasted pepita seeds. So I've got some dill to go on. So scatter over some extra boiled chopped egg. I've got a few extra coins of green chilli. And the final thing to go on is some cracked pepper. And it's as easy as that. I promise you it was quick, and I also promise you it was tasty. Really lovely, sweet, smoky, tender broccolini with that creamy, punchy tuna sauce on top. It's a really lovely one to serve as a side, or you could just have a big wedge of sourdough and eat it as it is. Remember, get on into Coles between the 5th of April and the 2nd of May. Get some of the family packs of broccolini into your trolley and you'll be supporting the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. You can make so many recipes with it, even ones just like this.